Flutter login screen UI. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open the GitHub Flutter login page 3 template in your browser, which has been provided in the comment pin. Click Code, and then click Download Zip to get the template files. After you download the zip file, extract it to your desired folder on your computer. Now you need to open the code by using Git. Navigate to the extracted folder and right-click inside it. If you use Windows 11, click Show More option from the context menu. Then click Open Git Bash here to launch the Git terminal. Inside the Git terminal, type code period to open VS Code with the project files loaded. Now go to the folder structure inside your VS Code, and then click on the main.dart file to open it. Open your VS Code terminal and type Flutter pub get to install dependencies. Next, type Flutter pub outdated to check for package updates. Then type Flutter pub upgrade -- major - version to upgrade packages. Now type Flutter create period to initialize the Flutter project. After that completes, type Flutter run to launch the application. If you want to edit the code, simply go to the main.dart file. For example, you can edit the login and welcome back text to customize the interface.